Hello, I'm Mark Nacol. I'm an attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and I'd like to chat with you about what you can expect and some of the things you need to do in order to get through a divorce. The relationship is fundamental, it's core, and it's devastating when it has to be dissolved. Complicating matters further, it's also the worst possible system devised to get through it, the adversarial system. Not only are you losing your ties and your continuity of family and children and inheritance and those things that bind and tie our lives together, you're doing it at a time when you feel your worst. Your judgments are your worst, your inclinations aren't very good, and no one can think clearly when they have lost a child, when they've lost a spouse, or they're going through a divorce. You must take great care in hiring your attorney. A number of attorneys will say many things to get you to retain them in a divorce case. Do your homework. Find out if that lawyer has experience. Find out if that lawyer is ethical. Find out if that lawyer has tried jury trials, 2 verdicts on multiple occasions, or if he simply is an attorney or she is simply an attorney that will seek to dispose of your case without having to try a case because they don't know how to try a case. Do your homework. Call the State Bar of Texas, look up testimonials, and do some investigation. The reason I say this is because your judgments won't be as good in this matter as they are in everything else you do. Things of the heart tend to be more difficult to resolve by the mind. You need to take your problems and your woes and your grief and let your lawyer carry them on his shoulders. That's what you're paying him for. And to do that, you have to trust your lawyer. Now, that doesn't mean you have to have a social relationship. That doesn't even mean you have to like him. But you have to trust that he has your interest and your children's interest in mind and has the ability to obtain a result that's favorable. I have clients frequently that come in and won't hire me because they know I win. And I tell them very quickly, nobody wins. There has never been a winner in history in a divorce case. But you can be a survivor. And that's what your lawyer's job is, to make sure that after the divorce, 5 years after the divorce, 15 with children, 15 years after the divorce, the decisions you made many, many years ago were wise ones and thoughtful decisions and decisions that were in the best interest of your children. It's important that your lawyer be objective. No lawyer has a magic wand. We can't change the facts of the case. Now, some are better than others in using those facts to your benefit, but you must understand that a result that is very good is never ultimate. It's never everything you want. If you have $1 million to pay on a lawyer, it's not going to be everything you want at the end of the day. Don't let your emotions rule your thought patterns in decision making and hiring the lawyer. 2 opinions? Fine. 3 opinions? Fine. It may be the first lawyer you talk to, you have that confidence and you've done your homework and you're ready to go. But if you're not positive, once you hire this lawyer, he's on your case. He is you in representations and actions and conduct. You have to have someone that you trust, because your decisions aren't always the best, and his objectivity is what you're purchasing. Now, folks, that doesn't mean you have to leave your brain in a jar when you go see your lawyer. The ultimate decision is always yours. The final judgment on custody, access, possession, rights, privileges, duties, decision-making for the children, division of assets, alimony, those decisions are yours. But your lawyer is going to be the one to counsel you in what those decisions offer and what the order of probability is for success in each of those endeavors. And frequently, it takes time and discussions with your lawyer to get through your emotional issues so you can make the best objective decision for you and or your children.
Nacol Law Firm, may I help you?